Updates coming in. Big development in Karnataka. Congress leader Priyank Kharge, his aide has been arrested in a drug trafficking case in Maharashtra. Kalaburgi South Block Congress President Lingaraj Kanni, who is a close aide of the Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge, has been arrested in Maharashtra. My colleague Neha Hebale is joining us with the update. Neha, what are the details? Who is this person we are talking about? What are his details in connection with the case?
Yes, Pratibha, we're picking up that, in fact, the South Block president over here has been arrested as far as, the Karnataka is concerned. He was reportedly picked up by Thane police while allegedly trying to sell narcotic substances is what's being said right now. Reportedly, of course, the police has arrested him right now and they are going to be probing this matter further. But understandably so, of course, this is now again going to be becoming a political flashpoint over here in the state of Karnataka, given that he's not just an aide of course, a Congress minister in the state, but the fact that he's a Congress bloc president himself. We're being told that he was reported trying to sell narcotics in and around Thane city when, of course, he was arrested there by the police. Possibly now, of course, the Karnataka police here would be working closely with the Maharashtra police to try and, make headway into this particular investigation.
Okay, all right. So he has now been taken into custody in Thane. Any reaction coming in from the Congress party on the same? He was said to be, in fact, the police officials are said to have seized 120 banned bottles of codeine syrup from his possession.
Well, that's right. Of course, that's what's being said right now. Shortly after he was taken into custody, there were several seizures as well that were, in fact, made from him, which includes those bottles that were mentioned earlier. But, of course, the fact is that, so far the Congress party hasn't really reacted to this. We'll, of course, get a reaction from them on this. But, of course, what really led to this and why was this particular Congress bloc president here found selling, narcotics? Or this is something that would, of course, now be a part of a larger probe of the police.
Okay, all right. Imran is also on the broadcast with us. Imran, what more details can you share with us?
The entire operation is by the Thane police, and in fact, they have arrested him from Kalaburgi, and he was accused of selling drugs in the Thane area. And what we getting to know is that the entire operation was conducted by the Maharashtra police. They only informed the Karnataka police at the last minute. But what we know is that he's a bloc president of the Congress in Kalaburgi district of Karnataka, which is where President Mallikarjun Kharge comes from. And Priyank Kharge, he sees many ties with many political leaders, including the sitting minister Priyank Kharge, and also what we call the police sources inform is a very close aide of Allam Prabhu Patil, the local MLA, and that's he's a Congress local leader, is what the police inform, and he is involved in the drugs, because of which the Maharashtra police has picked him up.
Okay, all right. Picked up by the Maharashtra police. Information suggesting that he himself was, in fact, selling narcotic substances in Thane city when he was taken into custody, with the police officials also taking into possession drugs that were allegedly found with him. We have Mr. S. Prakash of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Mr. S. Prakash, the Congress leader Priyank Kharge's close aide and a leader of the Congress party arrested in Thane for drug possession and with the charge of selling drugs in Maharashtra.
The new law in Karnataka politics, a senior minister aide and the AICC president's son, close associate, is now caught in a drug scandal. A drug peddler is his close aide means it is very shocking, and I'm certain he must have indulged in many other anti-national activities, anti-social activities also. Mr. Priyanka Kharge needs a lot of explanation to do for the people of Karnataka. The Ranya Rao was caught with certain high dignitaries of government earlier. She was a smuggler. Now a drug peddler is a close associate of a cabinet minister. It is very sad. The governance has gone for a toss, and Siddaramaiah has no control over the administration, and his ministers are associating with all questionable character personalities.
Okay, all right. The BJP saying that this is a new low for politics in Karnataka, for the Congress in Karnataka. Mr. S. Prakash, thank you for joining us. So politics playing out over the same, with the BJP saying that this is embarrassing and this is a new low for Karnataka Congress. My colleague Neha continues to stay live with us, getting the information of the arrest of a Congress leader in Thane for drug possession and allegedly selling drugs as well. Neha, the BJP has now responded saying this is a new low for the Congress in Karnataka.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. Like we had mentioned earlier, understandably so, of course, this is now becoming a political flashpoint over here between the BJP and Congress. The BJP, of course, isn't going to be letting this go anytime soon, attacking the Congress party over the arrest of this particular leader here in concern, the Congress bloc president. How the Congress party now, of course, responds to this would remain to be seen. But naturally, given the fact that, this particular leader was arrested on charges of selling narcotics, that's quite a serious charge. We'll really have to wait and see what comes out of that investigation. He was arrested by the Maharashtra police, is what being said at this point, and how they take this forward remains to be seen.
Okay, all right. No reaction from the Congress party yet. The BJP has already responded to it and has said that this is new low for the politics in Karnataka. Sketchy details available at this point, but what we do know is that the Congress leader and Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge's aide has been arrested in a drug trafficking case in Maharashtra. And the man who has been arrested is also the Kalaburgi South Block Congress President Lingaraj Kanni, who is a close aide of the Minister Priyank Kharge. And he has been arrested by the Maharashtra's Kalyan police. He was nabbed while allegedly selling narcotic substances in the Thane city. The police officials have in fact also seized 120 bottles of banned substance from his possession, a case now being registered against him under the NDPS Act at the Kalyan station. As of now, there is no official reaction that has come in from the Congress party yet, but the BJP has responded and has for politics in Karnataka and for the Karnataka Congress as well, because it must make it stand clear it's not just an aide of Priyank Kharge, but we are talking about an office bearer of the Congress party from Kalaburgi, which is known to be a stronghold of the Kharges, Mallikarjun Kharge as well as Priyank Kharge, hailing from the Kalaburgi area. So this is a Congress leader who hails from the Kalaburgi area. He has now been arrested, and the BJP says that this shows that the Congress party must come clean and must answer on the Congress leader's arrest. So the political showdown continues, and of course this comes amid the political war that's already taking place in Karnataka, and we're keeping a track of that. For now, quick break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.